India, ladies and gentlemen, a country having colossal tourist places, from natural to artistic, scientific to religious. We have almost anything you can think of in terms of tourism in the baseline of Ganga. Think of nature. We have Ooty, Shimla, Jammu and Kashmir, innumerable forest, wildlife and rivers. Think of science. We have iron pillars from Vijaynagar that has not been rusted since time immemorial. Think of artistic beauty. We have sculptures, statues, monuments and forts that can only be built by someone having deep artistic craftsmanship and planning. To show every tourist spot in one video is just infeasible. So I've tried my best let you see the tourism from my perspective, as you will be feeling incredible after knowing the beauty of our country. I would urge all the wonder and travel the whole India before considering the West, because West is foreign. But this, or we can use India is home. Why go West when West is coming to India? Thank you. If you are liking this, like, share and comment. If you have any suggestion for us, do subscribe. Thank you.